So hi friends, Anmol Samsuhang here and welcome back to ARS Biologicals, and in today's video we are going to check pollen grains under the microscope of a hibiscus flower, or we can say China rose. So let's get started. So friends, I have a China rose blooming over here. So what I am going to do is to pluck this flower. Okay, here we go. So let's take it to the microscope. So friends, here we have our China rose or hibiscus flower, and we can say its common names are hibiscus rose or China rose, and its scientific name is Rosa sinensis, hibiscus rosa sinensis. So this is red in color. There are different kinds of colored species of this flower. Some are purple, orange, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this male reproductive organ or male reproductive part, which contains the anther and the filament. This whole thing, there is some female reproductive part also, but leaving that, so here we have our style. This is the female reproductive part, and on top of this there is stigma, that's also an female reproductive part. But as you all can see, this thing, this is our male reproductive part, and I'm taking a paint brush, and what I'm going to do is to brush this pollen grains from this anther, just like this, and the pollen dust or the pollen grains will be collected on this brush, just like this. So friends, what I'm going to do next is I'm taking a microscope slide, and the brushed pollen grains will be dropped over here. Okay, so I have my microscope slide. I'm going to place it on the table, and with the help of a forceps I will just scrape those pollen grains off this brush. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to place it under the microscope. So we have a microscope. I'm going to place it on the microscope, and let's turn on the light and let's observe it, not observe but observe it under the microscope. Wow, they're kind of cool. Pretty much looking like viruses, so you must check it. So friends, as you all can see on the screen, there are some pollen grains, and they are pretty much looking like viruses. They are circular in shape and have spikes on the surface. So as you all can see, they are kind of fun. Watching these pollen grains is fun. I think that yellow sticky thing is the sticky part of the pollen grains, which makes them attached to the stigma of the flower.